Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from the rest of us? Is it just luck, or is there something more to their success? In this video, we'll reveal the hidden mindset that propels these titans of industry to unimaginable heights of wealth and influence. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss the shocking truth about how billionaires view failure. And it's not what you think. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets of the ultra-wealthy and transform your own financial future. 1. The superiority complex. Unshakable self-belief. Billionaires possess an unwavering belief in their own superiority. They're convinced they're destined for greatness, even when others mock or doubt them. This seemingly delusional self-confidence becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, driving them to bend reality to their will. For example, Elon Musk's early assertions about revolutionizing space travel with SpaceX were met with skepticism, but his unwavering belief ultimately led to groundbreaking achievements in the aerospace industry. 2. The adult table syndrome. Insatiable ambition. Ultra-successful individuals are driven by a constant desire to sit at increasingly prestigious adult tables. As they achieve each level of success, they set their sights on the next, more exclusive echelon. This perpetual ambition keeps them motivated and engaged in the game of wealth creation. Consider Mark Zuckerberg's journey from creating Facebook in a college dorm to becoming a tech mogul worth billions. Each milestone fueled his drive to reach the next level of influence and success. 3. The one-shot mentality. Focused persistence. Contrary to conventional wisdom about diversification, billionaires achieve their status by focusing exclusively on one thing until it's worth over $1 billion. They understand that they only need to get it right once, so they pour all their energy into their chosen venture. Jeff Bezos exemplifies this mentality, having dedicated himself entirely to Amazon's growth for years before it became the e-commerce giant we know today. 4. The revenge drive. Turning haters into motivation. Billionaires often use criticism and doubt as fuel for their success. They keep a mental list of those who questioned their abilities and strive to prove them wrong. This competitive drive pushes them to greater heights. Steve Jobs, for instance, was famously ousted from Apple in 1985, but returned in 1997 to lead the company to unprecedented success, silencing his critics in the process. 5. The expert leverage. Harnessing collective wisdom. Successful entrepreneurs understand the power of seeking expert advice. They're willing to pay top dollar for guidance from those who've faced similar challenges. This approach allows them to accelerate their growth and avoid common pitfalls. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, regularly seeks advice from other successful investors and business leaders, demonstrating that even the most successful individuals value external expertise. 6. The pie perspective. Valuing overall growth. Billionaires prioritize growing the overall value of their ventures rather than focusing on personal ownership percentage. They're willing to trade equity for resources that allow rapid expansion. This mindset is evident in how founders like Mark Zuckerberg have diluted their ownership in Facebook, now Meta, over time to bring in strategic investors and fuel the company's explosive growth. 7. The conductor's mindset. Orchestrating success. Rather than trying to master every aspect of their business, billionaires focus on orchestrating the overall vision. They hire the best talent to execute specific tasks while they guide the big picture. Oprah Winfrey exemplifies this approach, having built a media empire by leveraging her vision and the talents of countless producers, writers, and other professionals. 8. The OPM strategy. Leveraging other people's money. Billionaires excel at using other people's money, OPM, to create wealth for themselves and their investors. They raise capital, borrow funds, and structure deals that allow them to achieve massive returns with minimal personal financial risk. Real estate mogul Donald Trump, regardless of political views, has famously used this strategy throughout his career, often using borrowed money and investor funds to finance his projects. 9. The luck maximizer. Creating opportunities. Ultra-successful individuals actively work to increase their luck surface area. They understand different types of luck and position themselves to benefit from each. This involves constant motion, developing unique skills, and cultivating awareness of opportunities others might miss. Richard Branson's diverse business ventures across multiple industries exemplify this approach, allowing him to capitalize on opportunities in various sectors. 10. The clear thinker, mastering decision-making. Billionaires attribute much of their success to their ability to think clearly and make excellent decisions. They focus on developing this skill, recognizing that one good decision can dramatically alter their trajectory. Warren Buffett is renowned for his decision-making prowess, often making just a handful of major investment decisions per year that yield extraordinary returns. 11. The eternal problem. Solver, seeking permanent solutions. Successful entrepreneurs strive to solve problems permanently rather than applying temporary fixes. They invest time and resources to eliminate recurring issues, freeing up mental capacity for more important matters. Elon Musk's approach to electric vehicles with Tesla exemplifies this mindset, aiming to solve the problems of sustainable transportation and energy consumption on a global scale. 12. The undefeated mindset. Persistence in the face of adversity. Billionaires believe that the only way to lose is to give up or become incapacitated. They view setbacks as learning experiences and remain in the game long enough to succeed. This persistence is evident in the story of Walt Disney, who faced numerous failures and setbacks before creating the entertainment empire we know today. 13. The 100x thinker, accelerating growth. Ultra-successful individuals constantly seek ways to dramatically scale their efforts and results. They ask how they can achieve in months what others might take years to accomplish. This mindset drives innovation and rapid growth. Amazon's Jeff Bezos exemplifies this thinking, having transformed a small online bookstore into a global e-commerce and technology powerhouse in a relatively short time. 14. The milestone mentality, continuous goal setting. Billionaires think in milestones rather than end goals. As they achieve each objective, they set new, more ambitious targets. This constant evolution of goals keeps them engaged and growing. Billionaire entrepreneur Richard demonstrates this mentality, having expanded from music to airlines, space travel, and beyond, always seeking new challenges and opportunities. 15. The lifelong commitment, embracing the journey. Successful entrepreneurs recognize that work, uncertainty, and challenges are constants in life. They choose to dedicate themselves to pursuits they're passionate about, viewing their career as a lifelong journey rather than a means to an end. Bill Gates' transition from Microsoft to philanthropic efforts through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation illustrates this commitment to making a lasting impact beyond personal wealth accumulation. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and the mindset that drives billionaires, don't stop here. Explore our previous videos that delve deeper into the strategies for achieving extraordinary wealth and the unexpected twists and turns along the path to success. The journey to billionaire-level thinking is full of surprises. Are you ready to discover what lies ahead?